Welcome back to Retouch Express. We spent last year with making our plugins more affordable for Prepress retouchers. We have come up with a new website where you can buy monthly subscriptions, so no need for initial investments anymore to license our plugins. We offer fully functioning plugins completely free for 30 days, so it's not like the previous demo mode that was limited to handle only low-resolution images. First, let's see how you can install the trial. I will go through the steps on Mac only because it's pretty much the same on Windows. I have downloaded the complete Mac pack that is compatible up to Monterey and Photoshop 2022 editions. On PC, by the way, we recommend Windows 10, 11 and Photoshop 2021 and 2022 versions. In the MacPack folder, there's a step-by-step install guide, sample artworks that were created by our CMYK and Spot plugin. Then you find all the user guides here, and finally the plugins and the installer, which is called ZXP Manager. After unzipping it, you have to launch the application. Click on Photoshop 2022 or 2021, either way works. If you have installed earlier Retouch Express plugins in the past, you have to uninstall them first. New users obviously skip this step and can jump right to the next one, which is installing the new versions by clicking on this green button at the top of the panel. Then you are required to approve license terms for both CMYK plus Spot plugin and the trapping panel too. Repeat the same steps for the trapping. Please note that we have decided not to support the old plugins anymore. The ones that could be started in demo mode will not be updated for newer operation systems and newer Photoshops. As you can see, both plugins appeared in the right-hand extensions window if you click on PS22 or PS21. Now you can quit ZXP Manager and open Photoshop, and instead of Plugins menu, you will find Retouch Express in the Legacy Extensions list right here as RX CMYK plus Spot and RX Trap. This is a window where you have to paste the activation key. A similar panel appears for trapping too, that will obviously require another key. To get the activation keys, you have to go back to our website and create an account by signing up. Please give us a valid email address and password. After clicking on Sign Up, you will immediately get an email with a confirmation link. To complete the sign-up process, just click on this link and click on Sign In. It is useful to tick the Remember Me box too. We get to a contact form that is recommended to fill out, especially if you would like to receive a bill or receipt for your name or your company later when your trial expires and you start a subscription. Now the license page appeared in the account menu. That's where you want to go for the activation keys. First, click on the left blue button and start a 30-day free trial for CMYK plus Spot plugin. You have to copy the code and return to Photoshop and paste it in the activation key window. Then click on the Activate button. Repeat the same steps for the trap panel. When your trials expire, You will be notified to start a subscription, so you will be able to continue using our service without any interruption. Monthly and yearly subscription fee includes support as well, such as updates, upgrades, and helpdesk, so you can contact us anytime for assistance in case of installation and activation issues, questions regarding Prepress functions and features in the software.